Hello, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to unbox 4 mini brands Disney Store edition. And we're gonna get different Disney characters. Let's start with the first ball. Got my tool here. I gotta say, these balls are really hard to open. I hate opening these. I'm very excited to see what we'll get, so let's start the open. Ooh, what is this? This is our first item. It's a paper bag in comic style. All kinds of Disney movies. I like it, but it is out of paper, so you have to be really careful with it. You know, it's really fragile, but it looks cool. Second department. Here's the collector's guide. We got a bow from the Avengers. But yeah, it's a bow. And we also have the collector's guide. So this is in German, don't wonder. These are super rare. They are all golden. I do have this one, and this one, and this one. And then the standards start, so there are not that many rare ones, which kind of sucks. And there's a bow. Third toy. Can I say toy? I mean, yeah. Oh, I already have this one. I got this from the minibrands Disney Advent Calendar. This was on the door 24th. I still remember that. And yeah, this is a lunchbox with Minnie Mouse and other stuff on it. This one's broken already. We got Princess Belle, and I haven't had this one yet. Oh my god, that's so nice. Princess Belle. This reminds me of the movie with Emma Watson from The Beauty and the Beast. This is the last department from... Department? Is it even correct to call department? I don't know. You know, this thing. So let's see what is in the last one. Ooh, this is Bo Peep from Toy Story. You can see, oh, this one is also cute with the dress. I love it. Let's open the second of 4. So, first one. Please be a good one. Ooh, we got another thing from Toy Story. I don't know this character. And the text is so small I can't even read it. Please someone let me know what or who this is. But it is from Toy Story, that's all I know. Second. Oh, I already got this one. It's what is his name? Oh my god. Lightning McGee. What's his name, right? From Cars. I love the Cars movie, and I still love it. Maybe I should watch it again. It's been a long time. I can already see the collector's guide in this. Oh, another double. I already have this one too. It's the shield from Marvel. Captain America. Let's hope I will get at least one super rare one. That would be so amazing. Oh, another double. I already have this one too. It's Spider-Man, and the packaging is already messed up. Can you see? Not only do I already have this one, but also the packaging is messed up. I love it. I'm so lucky. Empty, empty, full. I already have this too. I'm not a big fan of these paper bags. This is just another paper bag, just like the other one, but with Minnie. I mean, I love the design, but it's paper. How cool would it be if this would be out of fabric? Empty, empty, empty. Did I open everything? Oh, this one's empty. Okay. Third ball. Come on, be a super rare, please. Or at least not a double. No. I think I have this one. Oh, I already have this one. I'm gonna cry. It's from Toy Story. It's the donkey. Bullseye. Second department. Oh, it's a super rare. I wish. Are you kidding me? It's the bow again. Why? Why? When the packaging is... The packaging... Now this is the tape. It comes off. Great. Great quality. Nice! I have 2 bows now. This is the next one. Oh, another double. Princess Aurora. 4th department. Department sounds kind of wrong. This is not a double. This is a triple. I have 2 of these and now I have 3. Isn't that cool? Last department. Let's go. What the hell? This is a super rare. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Wait. Let me see. I got a super rare. Wow, I'm so happy, guys. You have no idea. Oh, I love it. Nice. Last ball. Is this another super... Wait. This is there's the collector's guide again. Okay, guys, I checked. This is not a super rare. It's standard. It's this one. I really thought this was a super rare one because it's gold, but it's not. It's from Star Wars, and I don't have this one. So that's cool, but it's not super rare. It's good that I checked. Second department. Oh, who is this? Princess Rapunzel? I don't know what's with her nose. There's paint on it, I guess, but I love it. I love this so much. I'm gonna finish my princesses collection, maybe. It's upside down. Oh, it's Minnie. And I already have this one. I don't know if you've noticed, but this is really small. Really small. That's why it's so cute. It's a full body figurine from Mickey Mouse. I mean Minnie Mouse. We have 2 left from the last ball. This makes more noise. Let's open this one first. Let's hope it's something cool. Isn't that great? Yeah, another double. And now, let's move that away. Now, let's open the last one. I can kind of see, but I'm not sure what it is. Okay, let's open. Hello. Ooh, what is this? Mickey Mouse Play Toy Kitchen? Toy Kitchen? I didn't even know this existed. Oven lights up. How cool is that? Wow, that's Mickey Mouse. We can look inside, but these are usually empty, the packagings. So this is, yeah, they just stuff it with some more cardboard. Let me show what I already have, and I will also show you all the doubles and triples and, you know, ones that I already had. And we can see how many new ones I got. So guys, this is all I got from Mini Brands Disney Store Edition balls. Here's the super rare one. And all the others were standards, and this is all from the new balls, and I'm gonna add the doubles that I already had. So this is what it looks now. A lot of doubles and triples, to be honest. At least I got one super rare, and let me show you the normal version of this because I already had that. This is the normal version, the Minnie Mouse phone. It's pretty cute. And this is the super rare one. This was my minibrands Disney Store Edition unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know which one of these your favorite is and which ones you already have. So just let me know in the comments. Don't forget to leave a like and a subscribe if you like this video. Hopefully see you the next time. Bye bye.